In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a bill in QuickBooks Online. Whether you entered a bill by mistake or no longer need it recorded in your system, this guide will help you remove it easily and efficiently. Don't worry if you've never done this before, I'm here to walk you through each step with ease and clarity. First, let's get started by opening your browser and heading over to QuickBooks Online. You'll begin by clicking on the Sign In button on the QuickBooks website. This is your gateway into your account where all of your financial operations await. Once you're on the login page, you'll need to select the QuickBooks Online option. This step is important because QuickBooks offers several products, and we want to make sure you're in the right place to manage your bills. Now, enter your credentials to access your account, type in your username and password, then hit continue. It's essential to use the correct details to ensure a seamless login experience. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of QuickBooks Online, which organizes all your financial data. Next, look for the Expenses section. This is where the magic happens. Click on the Expenses tab, which is usually located on the left-hand menu of your dashboard. The Expenses tab is vital because it houses all transactions related to your spending, including bills. Once you're in the Expenses section, it's time to narrow down your focus to bills specifically. Click on the Bills tab where you will find a detailed list of all the bills that have been entered into your system. This tab is exclusively dedicated to managing your bill entries, making it your go-to spot when you need to review, or in this case, delete a bill. Now comes the critical part of actually deleting the bill. Locate the specific bill you wish to remove, and direct your attention to the small drop-down arrow on the right side of that bill entry. Click on this arrow to reveal a set of options. This drop-down provides you with several bill management choices, but since our goal is to delete, you'll want to select Delete Bill. Once you choose Delete Bill, the system will prompt you to confirm your decision. Make sure to review your choice before confirming to avoid any unintended deletions. Confirming will permanently remove the bill from your records, creating space for accurate financial reporting. There you have it, your bill is now successfully deleted from QuickBooks Online. This efficient process helps maintain accuracy in your financial statements. Remember, if you encounter any issues or need to revisit a deleted bill, QuickBooks offers some support options, but prevention is key. Keep your records organized and double check entries to avoid data discrepancies in the future.